The government has reiterated its commitment to eliminate mother-to-child HIV infections. The Director of Medical Services in the Ministry of Health, Dr. Mulwa, says that all players must be involved so as to give children an HIV-free start and prevent new infections. This even as concern is rife over cases of child defilement which are on the rise and exposing children to the disease.
At the Kenyatta National Hospital grounds in Nairobi County, the pre-National AIDS Day is being celebrated ahead of the national celebration slated for Thursday in Bungoma County. The celebrations coming amid concern of people living with HIV and AIDS failing to adhere to medication, with community urged to journey with patients of HIV and AIDS and give them necessary support to avoid negating gains already made.
We've seen a worrying trend of people who are getting tired of taking their drugs. And when a mother gets tired of taking her medicine, she will show up here with an HIV-infected child. She will show up here with her child who is not virally suppressed.
We also urge all to empathize with adolescents and young people living with HIV in our spaces as we seek to reinforce adherence to ART and foster their resilience in their lives.
Director of Medical Services in the Ministry of Health, Dr. Mulwa, has emphasized the need to protect newborn babies from infection, noting this is one of the Ministry of Health's priority areas.
Let all, including pregnant mothers, men health providers in private or public sector, and communities do all it takes to give every child in Kenya a HIV-free start.
Stakeholders are also raising concern over increased cases of child abuse, including defilement, especially in urban settings, a situation that has made them susceptible to infections.
And the perpetrators are grown-ups, you and me, and the end result of those children who are abused is HIV/AIDS. People are walking naked in the presence of our children. People are playing loud music at this time when children are doing exams. Surely, where are we heading as a generation?
And in some of our studies we've done a good job and educated a lot of the young women, but they do not have the power to protect themselves against the male counterparts who have not received similar education.
During the celebrations, 3 documents were launched, including the Kenya HIV Testing Services Operation Manual, Pre-Exposure Prophylaxis Framework to inform introduction of new commodities, and the PrEP Toolkit for service providers. Nancy Okware, Prime Edition.